We often need video players for our Windows PC, but before installing new software, it is good to get information about it. It is good to pre-rate its performance based on supported file formats and ease of use. The video will help you get detailed info about top 5 free video players that you can use on your PC. They can be easily installed on Windows 10, 8, and also Windows XP and of course Mac as well. So let's begin the countdown from number 5. At number 5 we have KODI. KODI is specially designed to serve crazy movie lovers. It is full screen interface and interactive enough, and you will be also able to listen music through this player. One can also watch images while enjoying movie, but will serve good only if you have rich media browsing experience. It supports the file format like AIFF, AAC, DTS, APE, Webpack, WMA, MOD, and of course NSF, etc. If you talk about the video formats, the MPEG 1, 2, 4, Real Video, WMV, and H.265, etc. It also allows live sports streaming, free to use, and it's widely efficient and widely compatible. And it's of course complicated for the beginners. At number 4 we have SMPlayer. This video player can be used for listening audio tracks and music content. There are so many handy features along with easy to adjust subtitles, customizable playlists, screenshot tools, graphic equalizers, and many more. If you talk about the file formats, all popular media file formats like WMV, MP4, MKV, and AVI, etc. are available on this video player. It is an open source and free player, comes with equalizer and support radio as well as YouTube browser, can fetch video subtitles automatically from internet, and also you need to spend more time to be friendly with its interface. At number 3 we have the PodPlayer. It is available for free to all Windows users and offers pretty good features. You need to add external codec to this player, as it can support all media files automatically and can also update codecs per need. It supports the file format like CUDA, DXA, and QuickSnix, whereas users can easily enjoy 3D output formats with 3D glasses. If you talk about the cons, it comes with built-in hotkeys and keyboard shortcuts, clean and user-friendly interface, supports 3D oriented features along with 3D glasses, and it is of course free of cost. The aspect ratio is only the problem here. At number 2 we have GGoM Player. It is best recommendation for Windows 10 users. GGoM Player is well known for its smoothness and higher level of customization that assists beginners as well as professionals. This video player possesses codec finder that helps to make search for desired codec whenever GGoM does not have specific codec. It supports the file format like AVI, TS, MPEG, MPG, FLV, MKV, etc. It also supports playlist formats like .pls and .asx. Of course, it is available for free. 360 video view supported, A/B repeat, minimalist design with awesome features. At number 1 we have a VLC Player. VLC is maintaining its win-win position in the top video player list from the long past. It is not just good for its out-of-the-box features, rather it can be easily tweaked to boost performance. You will be glad to know that it is open source software too, and you can easily find so many free versions that are maintained by community. It supports a file format like Real, Matroska, MKV, Anodex, OGM, OGG, 3PEG, 3PG, MOV, MP4, WMA, WMV, ASFI, and AV. And if you talk about the audio files, creative-wise, SAMF, standard, MIDI, FLV, Flash, FLAC, RAW-DV, NUT, MXV, AC3, and AAC DTS. Of course, this software is available for free. It can play devices, webcams, CDs and other files, possesses audio, video filters, subtitle is also available. The main thing about this is it does not support external filters and Midi playback. So guys, these were the top 5 free video players that you can download and install today, which is worth using. All links provided in description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really did, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to 10 Second PC for more technological updates. Thanks for watching.